Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is Aknawaz, lecturer in English at APS and C, Rahim Yar Khan. Dear students, welcome you all in online support program. Dear students, today we will discuss Pak Studies for 9th class, chapter number 3. Land and environment. Dear students, through this lecture, you people will be able to understand about land and environment of Pakistan, and you people will be able to understand the importance of location of Pakistan. So dears, first introduction. Dear students, Pakistan covers an area of 7,96,096 square kilometer. It is located in the south of the continent of Asia. The eastern and southern part is covered with river plains, whereas western and northern parts consist of high mountain ranges. And on the basis of temperature, there are such areas in Pakistan where it remains either hot or cold throughout the year. Dear students, now we are going to discuss location of Pakistan. Where does Pakistan locate and what is its importance? Dear students, Pakistan is located between longitudes 23/1/2 and 73 degree north and latitudes 61 north and 77 degree in east. Dear students, India lies in the east of Pakistan, China in the north, while Afghanistan in the northwest and Iran in the west. Dear students, as you people know that Pakistan has 4 neighboring countries. They are India, China, Afghanistan and Iran. Where they are located, we have studied. Dear students, the Arabian Sea is in the south of Pakistan. Because of Arabian Sea and this location, Pakistan has a great importance. How Pakistan has a great importance, we are going to discuss in next slide. Dear students, Pakistan is the key source to establish link between East and the West. It means if the eastern countries and western countries have to trade, so they have to pass through Pakistan. Pakistan is the only link which connects East and the West. Dear students, India lies in the east of Pakistan. India is our neighboring country, but we have some issues. On the basis of those issues, Pakistan and India has not good relations. Like Kashmir is the main cause of rivalry between Pakistan and India. Dear students, as we know that Kashmir is the territory which is disputed. For example, disputed between Pakistan and India. India says that Kashmir is the part of her, and Pakistan says that Kashmir is the part of her. So this is the basic rivalry between Pakistan and India. Dear students, Afghanistan is situated to northwest of Pakistan, and Pakistan has friendly relationship with Afghanistan. The adjoining border with Afghanistan is called Durand Line. The border which connects Pakistan and Afghanistan, that what is called Durand Line. In the northwest of Pakistan, there are Central Asian republics like Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan and Kyrgyzstan. these are all these are located away from the ocean. It means they are landlocked. They have no sea route. So because of that, the Pakistan has a great importance, because if other countries have to trade with these countries, they have to pass through Pakistan, the Pakistani sea route. So because of that, Pakistan has a great importance for these countries as well. Dear students, China is located, as we know that China is located in the north of Pakistan. Shahar-e-Rasham connects Pakistan with China. And as we know that China is our forefront country. China has stood by Pakistan in every hour of trial. It means whenever Pakistan needs China, China helps Pakistan at every cost. Like nowadays, both countries, Pakistan and China, are working on the CPEC, which is a best sign for the progress of Pakistan and the friendship of Pakistan and China. The Arabian Sea, located in the south of Pakistan, most of the trade between east and west is done through the route of Indian Ocean, where Pakistan's Gwadar port is situated in the Arabian Sea. The Gwadar is a main hub for the business, for the trade between east and west. So because of this route, Pakistan has a great importance. Therefore, Pakistan has much significance because of her location. Dear students, Pakistan has established relations with many other countries through the Arabian Sea route, like Indonesia, Malaysia, and Brazil, and South Asian Muslim countries as well, like Maldives, Nepal, and Sri Lanka. Because of these things, Pakistan has a great importance related to the location of Pakistan. I hope you people have understood the lecture, but if you have any query related this lecture, please you may contact me. I'll help you, I'll guide you if you have any issue regarding this lecture. Best of luck. Thank you.